we've run into this problem a lot where we have asset downtime because there are critical assets in every industry. In some industries, it'll be, I don't know, like in the medical space, it might be something really critical, like a freezer or something that holds vital organs. But in the industries that I work with a lot, it's simple things. It's sort of like, although most people wouldn't think it's that simple, right? It's the day where people get their coffee every day. So in a convenience store, oftentimes that coffee machine is considered a critical asset. And the why behind that is if you mess up somebody's coffee routine, they get deeply upset. And actually, there's a statistic that about 70% of customers just won't come back to that convenience store if their coffee routine's messed up. And a big part of that too is you don't go to a convenience store for like a boutique coffee experience. You don't have your favorite barista making your favorite blend of coffee. You go there for a traditional drip coffee, something that's quick and easy and efficient for your day. It's convenient. And so the idea there is that if that convenient, simple, everyday coffee doesn't work out, they're going to make a decision to move to a different gas station where they can get that coffee and they're confident it's going to be there. They're not going to take a chance that they go back and you fixed it the next day. That also means they're not going to buy their snacks there. They're not going to buy their gas there. And then they are just not going to come back because they're going to get comparable coffee somewhere else. What we have helped our customers to recognize is how often those coffee machines go down and why they go down, so that they can build a preventative maintenance schedule to make sure that the coffee machines hopefully never have to go down. And they can be ahead of it and they can know what parts to keep on inventory and in stock to make sure that that experience is always consistent and always convenient every day for their customers.